Welcome to this video. We have a question here under circular motion which says as follows. Okay. A car is traveling along a circular path with linear speed 18 meters per second and angular speed 0.3 lads per second. What is the radius of curvature of the track? And 2 says a ball on a track travels around a complete loop in a time of 1.4 seconds. Calculate the average angular speed of the ball. Alright, welcome to this tutorial. So let me take you to question number 1. So question 1 is telling us to find the angular, so to find the radius of the curvature. Now you need to recall that v is our linear speed is 18 meters per second, and our angular speed is 0.30 rad per second. Now what are we looking for? We're looking for the radius of curvature. So we need to look for the equation that relates these three, alright, variables. That is given by linear velocity or linear speed is given by radius of curvature multiplied by angular speed. So our R is V over angular speed. Our V is 18 over 0.30, be getting 60 meters. That's all, you're done. Let's move on to question 2, which says, I already read the question. Alright, so what we have here, we got time. Alright, let's call it capture that is more like the period. Okay, since it's a complete loop, it's a period, so we use capital T. What else do we have? We also have got angular. Now it's a complete loop, and we know that a circle complete loop is 2 pi, like 360 degrees. So we have the angular displacement theta, 2 pi. So the length of the loop is 2 pi, 9. And what else do we have? We're looking for the angular speed. So angular speed is related to this as the change in the angular displacement or the change in time. The same way we say speed is the change in displacement over the change in time. Same thing here. Here we are calling it angular displacement because it is in terms of angles. It's a circle, by the way. But for linear, it's this. So for circular, it's this. That would be 2 pi divided by 1.4. So the angular speed should be able to give you this rad per second. If you enjoy this video, I'm just requesting you for a simple favor. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also invite your friends and share this video. Thank you.